Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. Here on this channel, we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing method updates, and much more. Kindly subscribe to my Telegram channel and WhatsApp channels for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how you can generate your own token address. Please, this video is for educational purpose, do not use for illegal purpose. How you can generate your own token address, how to create your contract address for flashing of BTC, Ethereum, USDT. So if you need the full video, because I won't be doing the full video here, so I'll just give you a few tips on how to do it this time. So let's dive in. First, you need a Binance account. You need a Binance account. You need to get a Binance account. So once you get your Binance account, you switch to the wallet part. You switch to the wallet part so that you be able to gain access. You create account, then you switch to the wallet part. So after you switch to the wallet part, there's where you will click to get your token address so that you can use it for flashing. So you see this section that I am, before you reach here, there's where particular things you do on your Binance so that you can be seeing all this. So if you need the full details, full tutorial, DM me at affordable prices. Please, this video is for educational purpose. So like this now, to know if this is active, all these coins that is here now, they refreshes, which means if one contract address flagged, they will bring another one out. You see this BTC here now. This BTC here, if I click it, if you want to copy the contract address, you click on the copy button. You see that copying indicator there. Once you click it, I've copied this contract address. So to check if this contract address is active, you can use this contract address on 4 multiple wallets, different multiple wallets like OKS, Binance, BitGet, and Trust Wallet. So to know if this is active, we'll be testing it. You need a BNB because that is what we'll be needing to swap. So you check it on OKS. You can use Binance to check it, but mostly we use to do it because sometimes Binance will flag some token, so you won't be able to swap. So we come to this OKS now to know if this is active. So once you switch here, you click on this. Make sure you have created your OKS wallet. So once you are on this place, you just click on this DEX, then you see this BNB. You make sure this up one is in BNB and this down one, you paste the contract address you copy. Okay, this contract address I've been copied. Let me go back. So you click it. Okay, yes, I've copied like that. So you go back, switch here, you paste the contract address. So this is it. You can see the contract address now. So to know if this is active, let's use our max to generate our BTC. You see it like this. Let's use our max. You can see it gives us 74,000 of BTC. Once I click on swap like this, then if I send it to Trust Wallet or Binance, it will reflect there. So that is how you can get it. And you can also get the other one too. The Ethereum. To know if this Ethereum is active, you also do the same thing. You just click on it. So you click on it. You copy the contract address. You go here. You go on swap. To know. So everything is on the 20 network. So to know if it's active, you click on it. So you see it now. They are giving me 130. As mean it's not active. you'll not be seeing this much amount of Ethereum. They'll just show you the particular amount you want to use to swap. Assuming it's not active, this is 0 point, this thing you are seeing here, this is 0 point, this thing you are seeing 0.6 you are seeing here, there will be 0.46 you are seeing here. It will be equivalent to the 0.6 also, but now it's showing 130 of $130 of Ethereum. So let's just swap Ethereum to see what I'm talking about. So I'll be swapping 0.0001. Let's see like this. So like this now, this now is they give me 2 Ethereum. So if I swap, so this is how you be swapping. So I've checked it and you can use this. So after I swap it, you now go to your OKS. That is how you do others too. That is how you do others too. You go to your home page back, then you click on send here. Once you click on send, we locate the Ethereum we swap. You can see this is the Ethereum here. It will not reflect here, but trust me, if you send it to your Trust Wallet or Binance, it will reflect it. Let's try it out. So you go to your Trust Wallet. Let's check it. You copy your BNB address. Why we are copying BNB address? Because anything on Bet20 is still the same thing. It's still the same wallet address. So let me show you guys. If you click on receive here, proceed anyway. If you click on proceed anyway, you see, if I choose this, BNB Smart Chain, I will choose it now. If I choose it, you can see it. If you check all the wallet address that is here, you see that it's the same thing. So that is how you should know that anything on BNB Smart Chain is the same wallet address they have. So you don't need to just copy your wallet address of BNB. So once you copy it, you go to our this thing, you will paste it. Click on confirm. So let's flash the maximum. Let's check. So it has went successfully. So we checked our Trust Wallet whether the thing reflects. So let's go back to our Trust Wallet and check. Let's refresh. You can see what I'm saying. You can see it now. You can see the 2 Ethereum is equivalent to $4,000+. So that is how you can do it. And if you want to do it on Binance too, you just copy the Binance BNB wallet address also on Web3. It's not the exchange on the Web3 one. So that is how to do it. And if you want to do it on OKS, that is how to do it. If you want to do it on BitGet, that is how to do it. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss my update. Join my Telegram channel also. So that is how you can do it. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.